What if you could unlock a treasure chest of wealth and success with just a set of skills? Yes, you heard it right. High-income skills can be your game changer. Imagine possessing the ability to generate income at will, to create wealth on your terms. That's the power of high-income skills. They're not just about making money, but about self-improvement and personal growth. So let's get started. We'll be exploring 10 high-income skills that can potentially transform your life. These include salesmanship, copywriting, public speaking, networking, digital marketing, project management, financial literacy, coding, negotiation, and emotional intelligence. Each of these skills can open a new avenue for you to generate income, increase your self-confidence, and ultimately lead to financial independence. Remember, these skills aren't just for entrepreneurs. No matter your age, profession, or background, you can learn and master these high-income skills. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these 10 high-income skills that can turn your life around.
Yo, what's up, my friend? Peep game, because we about to drop some serious knowledge on you. If you're looking to level up your life and start raking in the big bucks, you're in the right place. That's on my mama. This guide is all about the skills that'll help you follow in the footsteps of the one and only Alex Hormozi. This guy's built a serious empire, and these are examples to show you how you can do the same. Whether you're trying to make some extra cash on the side or completely transform your career, these skills are going to be your golden ticket. We're talking about proven, in-demand abilities that'll have the money rolling in. Buckle up, take some notes, and get ready to transform yourself into a certified baller. This is the ultimate self-improvement and money-making blueprint, straight from the mind of a true legend. Let's get into it.
The first high-income skill that we are going to discuss is salesmanship. This skill, my friends, is the backbone of any thriving business. It's the art of persuasion, the ability to convince someone that what you're offering is exactly what they need. It's about understanding the person or business you're dealing with, their needs, their pain points, and presenting your product or service as the solution. Salesmanship isn't just about selling a product, though. It's about selling an idea, a dream, a vision. It's about convincing investors to back your startup, getting your team on board with a new strategy, or persuading a new client to sign on the dotted line. This skill is crucial in generating revenue, driving growth, and ensuring the long-term success of your venture. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a corporate shark, honing your salesmanship skills is non-negotiable. So the first key to your treasure chest is being a master salesman. Moving on to the second high-income skill, copywriting. Now, what is copywriting? It's the craft of writing persuasive messages that prompt people to take action. It's about selling with words. Whether it's to buy a product, sign up for a newsletter, or follow a social media account, the goal is to inspire action. Copywriting is the backbone of marketing and advertising. If you've ever felt compelled to buy something after reading about it, that's copywriting at work. It's powerful, it's persuasive, and it's everywhere. In emails, on websites, in advertisements, and so much more. In the world of business, a skilled copywriter is indispensable. They have the power to sway consumers, drive sales, and ultimately, boost profits. In the digital age, where content is king, copywriting is more important than ever. So, if you're looking to increase your income and enhance your skill set, consider mastering the art of copywriting. In the digital age, a powerful pen, or keyboard, can indeed be mightier than the sword. Let's dive into the third high-income skill, public speaking. Now, this is an art form that holds the power to influence people and create a lasting impact. It's not just about standing on a stage and delivering a speech. It's about connecting with your audience, captivating their attention, and moving them with your words. Public speaking is all about expressing your ideas confidently, clearly, and convincingly. It's about painting a picture with your words and making your message unforgettable. Whether you're pitching an idea, leading a team, or addressing a crowd, public speaking skills can make a world of difference. And the best part? It's a skill that can be honed with practice and perseverance. Start with small gatherings, seek feedback, and continuously work on improving. You'll soon find your voice resonating with power and persuasiveness. Remember, Your voice can be your greatest asset. Now, let's talk about the fourth high-income skill, networking. Networking is the powerful engine that propels opportunities your way, opening doors you didn't even know existed. It's like walking through a maze with a map, rather than blindly feeling your way through. Networking is all about building relationships and forging collaborations. It's not just about collecting business cards at a conference. It's about creating meaningful connections, engaging in thoughtful conversations, and finding common ground. In the realm of entrepreneurship, these connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, or even mentorship opportunities. You see, the more people you know, the more avenues for success you have. It's like having multiple roads leading to your destination instead of just one. So how do you network? Start by being genuinely interested in others. And remember, it's a two-way street. Offer value and be willing to help others. In the world of business, it's not just what you know, but also who you know. Halfway through our list, we have digital marketing. A jewel in the crown of contemporary commerce, digital marketing is the linchpin that holds modern business together. It's the art and science of promoting products and services via digital channels, most commonly through the internet, to reach a global audience. Imagine the internet as a bustling marketplace. Digital marketing is like having a megaphone that amplifies your voice, ensuring it reaches every corner of that market. It's about creating compelling content, harnessing the power of search engine optimization, and leveraging social media to boost visibility and engagement. In an age where screens have become the new shop windows, digital marketing helps businesses to connect with potential customers, boosting sales and driving growth. It's not just about selling, but about building relationships and fostering trust with your audience. Remember, in the digital world, the one who rules the internet rules the market.
The first 5 skills on this list are straight-up game changers. These are the foundations that'll catapult you towards the high-roller lifestyle. Alex Hormozi is proof that with the right mindset and hustle, you can turn any idea into a gold mine. You feel me? It's more than just mastering the art of manifestation. You need to be calling the shots. This takes action instead of letting life call the shots for you. Sure, you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, my friend, that's where this ultimate guide comes in. Before we proceed, I got a lil joke for you. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. All right, I know, that was a real knee slapper. But hey, I had to get your attention somehow, right? So what are you waiting for, homie? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the rest of these game-changing skills. Trust me, your bank account will thank you on God.
Moving on, the 6th high-income skill is project management. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about managing a project? Let me tell you, it's much more than just juggling tasks on a to-do list. It's about leading a team, setting goals, and making sure those goals are met in the most effective and efficient way possible. Project management is essentially the art of making things happen. It's about taking a vision, breaking it down into manageable tasks, and then guiding those tasks to completion. It's about understanding the resources at your disposal, knowing how to allocate them wisely, and constantly keeping track of progress. Good project management can significantly improve efficiency and productivity. It ensures that no effort is wasted, and that every step taken is one that leads towards the final goal. Remember, it's not just about working hard, but also working smart. And that's exactly what project management allows you to do. With great management skills comes great success. Next up, we have financial literacy. Now, this isn't about becoming the next Wall Street whiz. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and apply various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. It's like having a compass in the financial wilderness. Think of it this way. You wouldn't set sail on a voyage without understanding the basics of navigation, would you? In the same vein, financial literacy is your map and compass in the sea of personal finance. It helps you navigate through decisions about savings, investments, tax planning, and retirement. Financial literacy paves the path for your financial independence. It empowers you to grow your wealth efficiently and ensures you're not just earning money, but also making that money work for you. Let's not forget, The financial world is filled with opportunities, but also pitfalls. Being financially literate helps you seize those opportunities and avoid the pitfalls. Remember, the key to wealth is not just earning money, but also knowing how to manage it. The 8th high-income skill on our list is coding. Now, why is coding so important, you ask? Well, think about this. We're living in the digital age. Every app on your phone, every website you visit, every piece of software you use, they're all built on code. It's the language of our digital world. Coding is a skill that allows you to create. You become the architect, designing and constructing digital landscapes that millions can explore. But it's not just about creation. It's about problem solving too. A good coder can take a complex issue and break it down, finding a solution that's both elegant and efficient. And here's the kicker. The demand for this skill is skyrocketing. Tech companies, startups, even traditional businesses, they're all hunting for coding talent. So, if you're looking to boost your income, this is a skill you can't afford to ignore. In the digital era, coding is indeed the new literacy. Let's move on to the 9th high-income skill, negotiation. This is the art of reaching an agreement or compromise while maintaining a positive relationship with those involved. It's the finesse of finding the middle ground, the sweet spot between what you want and what the other party wants. In the world of business, negotiation is key. Whether you're closing a deal, resolving a dispute, or simply managing your team, the ability to negotiate effectively can make or break your success. It's about understanding the needs of both sides, then crafting a solution that satisfies everyone. But let's be clear, negotiation isn't about manipulation or deceit. It's about communication, empathy, and mutual respect. It's about finding a win-win solution that benefits all parties involved. Mastering negotiation can lead to better business deals, stronger relationships, and ultimately, a more successful career. Remember, a good negotiator always gets the best deal. Finally, the 10th high-income skill is emotional intelligence. Now, this is an intriguing one, right? It's not something you can measure on a test or showcase on a resume, but it's a vital skill that can make or break your success in any field. Emotional intelligence is all about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as those of others around you. It's the ability to read the room, to empathize, and to respond appropriately to emotional cues. It's about being aware of how your words and actions can affect people. In a leadership role, emotional intelligence is crucial. It helps you connect with your team, motivate them, and create a positive work environment. When it comes to teamwork, it's about understanding the emotional dynamics within the group and navigating them effectively. And in relationship building, emotional intelligence is the key to forming deep, meaningful connections. Emotional intelligence, the secret ingredient to a successful career and a fulfilling life. So there you have it, the 10 high-income skills that can unlock a world of opportunities for you. We've explored the art of salesmanship, the power of persuasive copywriting, and the influence of public speaking. We've also delved into the importance of networking, the reach of digital marketing, and the organization of project management. We've unraveled the mystery of financial literacy, the versatility of coding, the strategy of negotiation, and finally, the significance of emotional intelligence. Each of these skills is a tool in your arsenal, a stepping stone on your journey to financial freedom and self-improvement. These skills, like any other, require time, dedication, and practice to master. But rest assured, the rewards are well worth the effort. So why wait? Start today. Learn, grow, and develop these high-income skills. Remember, the key to success lies within you. It's time to unlock your potential and soar high.
Aight fam, I'm only gonna say this once. If you want to live life on your own terms, making stacks on stacks of that sweet, sweet cash, you gotta pay attention. This guide right here, it's the roadmap to that high roller lifestyle you've been dreaming of. These 10 skills, they're your golden ticket to financial freedom and making that fat stack of paper. You dig? So don't sleep on this, my friend. Take these lessons to heart, put in that work, and watch your bank account blow up bigger than a balloon at a kid's party. And if you think this is good, wait till you see my other video, which should have already popped up on Dad's screen. It's about making that moolah, of course. Trust me, you're gonna want to hit that next video harder than a freight train. Stay hungry, stay humble, and I'll see you on the other side of that bread-making, wealth-building revolution. Peace out.